G'day ladies and germs, Conor here from Cutout Media, back with another video. And today we're doing a quick video on the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Now I recently did a video on this one. This is the TR4U case on Amazon. Link down below to the video. It's a great little case. It's a very cheap case. So link down below if you want to check that out on Amazon or if you want to check the video out. I dig it. TR4U. Silicon case for the Pixel 7 Pro. But today we're all about the Spigen case for the Pixel 7 Pro. So we're just going to say this product has been certified by Spigen to meet Google's compatibility standards. Google is not responsible for the operation of this product or its compliance with any applicable safety or other requirements. Basically saying they've made it to measure. Made for Google Pixel. And it's black. Now, one thing I like about the Tough Armor series is it has a little leg on it, so you can use it as a stand as well. I do like that. Let's get this out of the... Now, I did buy one of these for the 6 Pro, and it was one of my favorite cases as well. So it's got like a couple of different compartments in it. So you got that extra padding in here, which is soft plastic. Yeah, it feels a bit like foamy feel to it. Then you have the outer layer, which is like a hard plastic, and then soft on the corners here as well. So different types of plastic here, and a nice cutout for the cameras. On the bottom there, you've got your cutouts for your charging port and your speakers, and microphone port up here, volume up and down, and your power button here. Bit of branding, Tough Armor. Bit of branding, Spigen. So it looks good, and it definitely feels like it's going to protect it. Like, just give me a second. This one from TR4U is a nice case. It's one of my favorite cases, but it doesn't feel like it's going to protect it greatly. It's more like for the color and to, you know, keep it from getting scratched or little dings, whereas this feels like it might protect it from something sturdy. Let's put it in. Clicked in really nicely. Now definitely I'm going to notice straight away that it's added some bulk to the device. I really do notice that, but it feels nice. And what I always like about the Tough Armor is that little flap there gives me viewing pleasure. I love that. It's a little stand now because of that little flap. Just there you go. You can watch your content. So that's always nice, little extra. Now, power button, easy to press. It's not like overly stiff or anything like that. Nice and easy to press. Volume up and down is the same. So no issues there. Now I always look at, is there a bit of a lip top and bottom and on the sides to protect it from a flat surface, from scratching the display on a flat surface. And there is a bit of a lip there, probably about the same as the TR4U. The other case I do have is a clear casemate, and that probably has the biggest lip on it that I've had so far. But it definitely feels like it's going to get a bit of protection when you drop it. There's some extra padding here on the corners. The camera is nice and safe. It's hidden there, and a bit of recess around the camera bump. Definitely feels good. But I'm going to say it's added some bulk to it. Just quickly, a couple of things we've got to test with the Spigen case. We're going to go into our settings. Make sure that we can battery share. Make sure that we can wirelessly charge. Battery share on. I'm going to flip it over. Pixel buds. Charging. So battery share works through the Spigen case, which is great to see. That means wireless charging will work as well. Next thing I want to check quickly Cable fits nicely, no problems there, good to see. So no charging problems or hindrances with the Spigen Tough Armor case. It's going to protect your phone and it's still functional. You can still use the features on it. You can still charge it. This is not a cheap, nasty case. Spigen Tough Armor may be cheap in price, but great in features, great in safety. Definitely one of my favorites. Links down below. But there you go. The Spigen Tough Armor case. Yes, I think it's good. Do I think it's the best? Maybe for some of you it is. Links down below to the Amazon website for you to pick it up. I definitely rate it. I'm probably going to chop and change a bit between my cases. I do normally use this one when I'm out at work or something like that. But if I'm going hiking or something, I'll probably go for something more rugged like this. Or even the Casemate one is a bit more tougher than the TR4U case. So Spigen Tough Armor case for the Pixel 7 Pro. Always gone with the Tough Armor. I think they're a great little case. Can't fault them really. Links down below. Thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next video. Check ya!